about how much human financial advisor cost, hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But what if you could give that exact same premium personalized wealth management advice to thousands of clients at the same time, completely on autopilot right inside WhatsApp? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a personalized AI financial advisor chatbot just like this one using Pabbly Chatflow. I'll walk you through the entire flow builder, shows you how to set images with welcome message, how to use interactive quick reply buttons, how to add list of types of options, and some necessary questions too. At the end of this tutorial, you will have a chatbot that books consultations automatically. Alright, so this is the flow builder page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. And once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. See, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. By the help of this tool, you can create WhatsApp chatbot, AI assistant, broadcasting, and many more. After doing the sign-up process, you will reach towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and next on the left-hand side, you will see the multiple features. You just have to come in this flows feature, and this flow builder page is going to be appear in front of you. This is the Pabbly Chatflow flow builder page. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. For creating a new flow, you have to click on this plus add flow button. Have already created some before, so I'm directly going in it. See, this is the chatbot flow that I have created for financial advisor for wealth management business, and trust me, the creation of this flow is the simplest thing that I have ever done. I'll walk you through each and every node. On the left hand side, you will see two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. These are the buttons that I have used for creating this flow. So let's first see what is this. See, this is the trigger. For starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger event. You can select anyone according to your choice. I have selected it as a keyword. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that the user will send to me. I added only 3 keywords here as book appointment, hi, and hello. See, as soon as the user will send hi message to my WhatsApp bot, then automatically my bot gets triggered. So this is how the keywords work. Moving forward, at first I have taken the button as media button. That consists one text button. Wait, for setting up this type of message, you just have to take this button from here. See, this is the same button. Select the media type from here that I'm selecting as image and click on this option. After that, upload any image related to your business from here and select it from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I'm directly selecting it from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is how easily you can create this type of media button. Now I also want to add welcome message that was sent with this image. So for that, I'm clicking on this plus add content button and selecting the content type as text button. After that, you just have to simply enter the message content in this field that you want to send to your user. See, I have entered. This is the same message that I have received on WhatsApp too. For adding quick buttons, you just have to click on this plus add button, give button name, select button type from here and click on the save button. And in just few steps, you can create this type of image consist welcome message. After successfully adding the node, you just have to make a connection, means connect the trigger point of the flow to the message node. This is how easily you can create a connection. Moving forward, I have taken the next button as list button. See, in real time, this works like this. This type of message is going to be sent to your user. For setting up this, you just have to take this list button from here, enter the content in this enter body box. After that, click on this H section button, give section title in this field. Next, click on this plus add items button and as many as more items you want. See, the logic is simple. You just have to change the content only. So this is how you can set up the list button inside your flow. Next, I have taken the contact custom field node. Now, what is contact custom field? So contact custom field is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, goals, phone number, and many more. In simple terms, contact custom fields are used for sending personalized message to each user completely based on their choice. Here, as soon as I have selected the real estate investor investment from this list, it will automatically mention the same goal at the end in front of this goal, as it is personalized based on my input. So this is how contact custom field works. Here I have selected the contact custom field in each of these nodes as a goal. For creating the contact custom field, you just have to click on the settings option and go with this contact custom fields option. Next, I have added the questions in my flow. For adding a question node, you just have to click on the sections option and add this ask a question button. After that, just enter the question in this enter message box. For example, I'm going to enter the same, that is, may I have your full name. Select the contact custom field from here that I am selecting as full name, and the format is text, as name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your users for answering this question. It also means that whenever the user will not reply to your bot in the correct format that you will select from this list. For example, here I have selected the format as text, but user will reply to the bot in the format of number or any other format. Then bot does not give any reply to the user. And for re-answering the question, you just have to increase the number of attempts, but make sure that whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For in this case, you can enter the validation message like please enter your name in the correct format. I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. Next, I have added another question as what is your current profession. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. I have done this as a complete example. You can add more questions completely based on your own choice. Next, again, I have taken the list button. I have already explained you about this too. You just have to take this list node from here and customize it completely based on your own business. After that, I have taken the text button. You can get this button from here, enter the content in this enter message box and give the quick button to by the name of book consultation. So this is how easily you can set up this type of text button. After that, make the connection. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Next, again, I have taken the question node 2 times, and lastly one text button. And for the advisor details, I have taken the text button. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp chatbot flow by using simple drag and drop process. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on the save button and make sure to enable this toggle. If this toggle is enabled, then only your chatbot works. Now I'll give you a quick overview of how it will work in real time by sending any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account. As soon as I send message, immediately bot welcomes me with the same message that I have set it here. It includes the image and the welcome message and 2 quick buttons as investment planning and talk to advisor. I am clicking on this button. Next, it is asking me to select the financial goal that I am selecting as retirement planning. After that, it is asking me for my full name. So I sent my full name as a smart user. Next, it is asking me for my professions. After that, it is asking me for my monthly income that I am choosing between 50k to 1 lakh. After that, it is asking me to book the consultation. So let's say I want to book the consultation, and it is asking me to give the date that when I would like to book a consultation. So as it is visible that how smartly and intelligently the bot is asking me all the questions and sending me the message completely based on the flow that we have created. After that, it says please share your phone number so we can contact you, and once I send the contact number, then you will see I have received the consultation request received message from the bot that includes the details completely personalized for me. So now I think you might be wondering how my name is come in this place. Means the exact same name that I have shared, that is smart user. So it is only made possible with the help of this contact custom field that I have selected here and this dollar symbol. As you can see, I have used the dollar symbol in front of this goal, date, contact number and the full name field because it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this symbol automatically the user's data will come. As I already explained you about this, the contact custom field is used for sending personalized message to each user. That's why this message consists all my inputs. So this is how the chatbot works in real time. And not only this, you can create multiple types of chatbots based on your business by using Pabbly Chatflow. Honestly, this is one of the best tools that I have ever used. So if you like this tool and you want to create the same chatbot, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. You won't regret it after purchasing it. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.